What's happening, everybody? Josh here from Spawn Fly Fish, and today we are talking combo, kit, package, rod reel, you name it. So today we're going to go over the Sage Foundation. This might not be the least expensive, but we believe it's the best. Diving right into things, let's unbox this. Before we do, today we are going to go over the 6-weight combo, but this comes in 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The 7 and 8 have a fighting butt, which I will showcase here in a second. The 4, 5, and 6 do not. So inside this, first and foremost, this is how it's going to arrive. Some of the combo kits have a box here. This is what it will look like when you receive it in the mail or you pick it up here in store. Starters, you get the case. So the case is going to come. But let's jump right into things and open it up. Inside, you are going to find backing, fly line, and leader. It does not come on the reel. It does give you instructions on how to do so. If you are reaching for a fly rod reel for the first time, and this is your first ever kit or first ever rod reel, and you need help with it, let us know. Give us a call at the shop, reach out, get a hold of us. We will be able to do that for you. We can put that on, no problem. But you need to let us know. Spectrum C reel comes in there. Awesome reel that we're going to jump into here in a second. And, of course, the Sage Foundation fly rod. Alright, now that you have a general understanding for the rod that comes in this kit, let's jump over to the reel. I do want to note on a lot of these kits, we find that somewhere something is sacrificed. That is not the case with this combo kit. This is the Sage Spectrum C reel, and it is frankly awesome. This is a multi-purpose reel that's built to cover an entire range of fly fishing applications. From brook trout to tarpon, every reel utilizes the Sage SCS sealed carbon system, exclusive to Sage drag system. What I like about this, especially when you're reaching for the first time, it's going to give you, again, that good foundation, is this dial drag here. So it's numbered here, so you're going to be able to have consistent, repeatable drag tension. So that's something that's very helpful when you're first getting going to know how much pressure to apply when fishing for a specific species or using a specific line or leader setup. The other thing to note here, this is a large arbor reel. You're going to be able to fit plenty of backing capacity and use for a full range of fly lines. So that is a general overview for the reel, and now we're going to hop over to the fly line. All right, we went over the rod. We went over the reel, and last but definitely not least, it's time to go over the fly line. Inside the reel, rod reel combo kit, you're going to get a little bag. It's going to have the backing in it. It's going to have a leader. And most importantly, it's going to have your fly line. It will be paired for the rod. So we have a 6-weight rod here. We got a 6-weight fly line. It does give you instructions on how to set that up. Again, very simple. But if you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to us at Spawn Fly Fish. This is a RIO Gold fly line. RIO Gold will come in all the combo kits, 4 through 8 weight. And this is an all-around trout line. So it's an all-purpose trout line. It's been a mainstay in the trout fly fishing world for many years. It's going to do a fantastic job at everything you need to be successful in the water while targeting trout. It's got the slick cast, which is going to allow it to just fly out the guides. You're going to be able to load the rod quickly, and you're going to have very well precision casts and easy mend when you're out there on the water targeting trout. One thing to note, if you are buying a 7 or 8 weight thinking that you're going to go out and target salmon, especially for us locally, this would not be the line that we would put on it. It is still a great line, but it wouldn't be for that specific of an application. That really does it here for the rod reel combo. You're going to get a fantastic all-purpose trout line. You're going to get a phenomenal reel, and you're going to get a fantastic made in America Sage fly rod. This is going to give you a foundation for everything that is Sage, and this is going to set the stage for your entire fly fishing experience. We think that this is the best combo kit on the market. Buy it here at Spawn Fly Fish. We'll put a link in the description below. As always, hit like, hit subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.